Good morning dear students. Today we will be doing the word problems related to division. So I am reading the first word problem. A book contains 1024 pages. So number of pages in the book are 1024. This is given in the question. Ayushri said she would read 16 pages a day. So number of pages to be read in one day is 16. How many days will it take her to read the book? So what you have to find out? Number of days taken to read the book. So what is given in the question? That there is a book. That book it contains 1024 pages. 1024 pages are there in the book, and Ayushri in one day she will be reading 16 pages of this book. So we have to find out in how many days Ayushri will read the book. So this problem is based on division. So we will be dividing 1024 with 16. How to divide? By using a two-digit number that I have discussed with you. So how you will be doing the division? 1024 you will be dividing this with the 16. So we will be taking the first three digits, that is 102 and 102 of the dividend, and will be dividing 102 with the 16. So 16 6 are 96. Now you have to subtract 102 with the 96. So you will be getting 6 here. This 4 it will move down. Now 16 4s are 64. 0 is our remainder. So what is our answer? 64. Hence, Ayushri will read this book in 64. So we can write here, hence Ayushri will read the book in 64 days. She will read the book in 64 days. Now let us do the second word problem. All the word problems, they are related to the division only. So let us revise this again. In the question it is given that a book has 1024 pages. Ayushri in one day she will be reading 16 pages. So we have to find out in how many days does she complete the book. So we will be dividing 1024 with 16. As this problem it is based on the division, so we will be dividing it. So I have discussed how to divide by using a two-digit number. So when we divide 1024 with 16, you will be getting 64. So Ayushri will be reading this book in 64 days. Now let us do the second word problem. The second word problem is there are 5000 newspapers. So total number of newspapers they are given. Total number of newspapers. How many newspapers are there? The total number of newspapers are 5000. 89 newspaper boy delivered this paper to various area. So how many boys are there? Number of newspaper deliver boy. How many boys are there? Total 89 boys are there. Then what is given in the question? How many newspaper does each boy deliver and how many are left? So number of newspaper delivered by each boy. How will we finding it? We have to find out number of newspaper delivered by boy. So we'll be dividing 5,000 with 89. So again let us read the question. There are 5,000 newspaper. How many newspaper are there? Total number of newspaper 5,000. 89 newspaper boy deliver this paper to various area. So how many boys are there? 89 boys are there. So what we have to find out? Number of newspaper delivered by the boy and how many papers are left. That we have to find out. So we will be dividing 5,000 with 89. So if we divide 5,000 with 89, 5,000 with 89. So we'll be considering first this 3 digit, then we'll be dividing it. So 89 5s are 445. We'll be subtracting 500 with 445. So we will be getting 5. Here also 5. Then 0 will be carrying down. 89 6 are 534. Then we will be subtracting it. If we subtract it, we will be getting 16. So our answer will be each boy delivered. How many newspaper each boy delivered? Each boy delivered 56. Each boy delivered 56 newspaper. And 16 newspaper they are left. We can say that each boy delivered 56 newspaper. 56 newspaper is delivered by each boy and 16 are left. 16 newspaper they are left because 16 it is the remainder. So 16 newspaper are left and 56 newspaper is delivered by each boy. So let us do this question again. What is given in the question? Total number of newspapers they are given. 5,000 newspapers are there. Number of delivered boy 89 delivered boys are there. Now we have to find out that how many newspaper are delivered by this 89 boys and how many newspaper they are left behind. So what we will be doing? We will be doing the division. We will be dividing 5,000 with 89. So if we do the division of 5,000 with 89, as the 89 it is a 2-digit number and the table you might not be knowing it. So how you will be doing? Like you can do in the rough 89 multiply by 5. You can do sidewise like this. 5 9s are 45, 5, 4 it moves to the carry, 5 8s are 40, 40 plus 4 is 44. So 89 5s are 445. I have written here. Now you have to subtract 500 with 445. So you will be getting 55, 0 carry down. Now 89 6 are 534. 16 is the remainder. So how many newspapers are left? 16 newspaper are left and each boy has delivered 56 newspaper. So that's all for today's class. Have a nice day.